The Grand Canyon National Park is home to 11 American Indian tribes and welcomes nearly 6 million visitors each year. The Grand Canyon National Park Service identified several areas of the Inner Canyon power system that needed to be updated. Our APS crews found themselves in some unique circumstances, including camping within the canyon for a week and rappelling down the canyon walls to complete these repairs.
So from the get-go, we knew this was going to be a very challenging job with the logistically just getting down there and the amount of distance that we had to cover between the different job sites. And the only way to get there was to hike there. A lot of those places that you had to hike, it would be 6 or 7 miles to get just to the job site.
Thanks to the coordinated effort between APS, multiple vendors, the Grand Canyon National Park Service, and the surrounding communities, this complex project was executed safely and successfully.